A lot of times when there's, at 65%, there's a little guesswork put into it on what it's going to be like when the project finishes. And you add those factors in, you take factors out that they might have missed. And what we were able to do is, once we finished the 65%, is we sat down and kind of went into a design-build format, where we worked directly with all the trades, like I said, developed a cost plus not to exceed, kind of the benefits of a guaranteed maximum price, getting the actual cost plus an overhead and profit mechanism, the plus part. And we worked directly with, like I said, with all the people that were part of this project to tighten up the estimates. We wanted to maximize my return, which is obviously why we're doing this project. It's one of the reasons for my family, and handled procurement and price negotiation with everybody throughout this course. Partner with our suppliers, partner with our manufacturers, and the actual costs to date on the project are somewhere in the $1.1 million range. And what that actually comes from is the actual process. This is all soft cost. Okay, that is the big bulk of the costs on the job. The legal, our fees, right? Engineers, architects, interior designers that we all are. We have fees that are associated with the project. You have realty costs, insurance, recording fees, taxes, everything. Go ahead. Should be a bottom line there. But what came out of the discussions with the contractor is, you can see here, $312,000. We started at $580. Once we clarified all the items, we took out any sort of the assumptions and the allowances. $312,171, and I can say today we're still on that track. We've added $840 for new plumbing. Plumbing was this big. On the inside it was about that big. It was absolutely disgusting. So it was actually a right choice to take that out and put new copper inside the building. We've evaded all of the asbestos in the project, which was a personal decision of mine to do. We worked with Felton Electric. We got the number in $107,000. There were some increases there. Having Cleveland Public Power come in and do all the main switch gear and increased amperage was very beneficial to about $15,000. Permits are expensive. Here's the kind of important part. LEED certification on this building was $1,450. Is that a standard cost number? $1,450, or that's based upon the size of the job?
It's based upon the size of the project, and I think that includes our company registration along with the cost of the project.
So if it's $1,000, then $450. Precision commissioning is obviously the commissioning function. The actual basic required function of it is $4,500. This is the asbestos abatement. So you can see there's a couple of costs directly attributable to the LEED process itself, which we'll see in a second. 1.15. That's where it is currently today. One of the things that's been very beneficial for us in order to be able to do this actual dollar number is we went through a development grant with Cuyahoga County. And they actually, for doing a project in the city of Cleveland, have a 45% forgiveness rate. I don't know what that actually, everybody can compute that quickly. There's $800,000 as a loan, so you forgive immediately upon permanent financing $360,000. Done. So, all of that forgiveness, rent, tax acceleration, everything along those lines, I end up with about $5,000 at the end of the day. I've got a great office building. I've got some very, very happy staff. I'm going to be in it for a very, very long period of time. That doesn't actually offend my senses. All of the difficulty of getting to this point, getting financing at this very, very difficult time. Trust me, getting financing for any developer that you guys work with is not the easiest thing to do unless you have cash.